This is my main channel where I have over 100,000 subscribers. That's why I talk about YouTube tips. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to schedule a video upload on YouTube. I'm going to make it plain and simple. Here we go. Okay, so this is this channel. The first thing that we want to do is go to create because we've already made our video. So we're just going to go to create to upload it. And then from there, we click on upload video. YouTube lets you select the file that you need to get. So click select file. And then you'll choose your video. I'm just going to select the one that I made for you yesterday on day 1 of Vlogmas. Okay, so it already has a name. Obviously, if you need to change your name, write your description, upload a thumbnail. This is not how to do all those things. So we're just going to breeze through all of this. Go to next. Oh, I had to tell them that no, it's not made for kids. Okay. So now, if you need to add an end screen, do that. If you need to add cards, do that. I do suggest doing that, but that's not what this video is about. We'll skip this initial check and we'll go straight to visibility. This is where it happens. So we're going to say that it's going to be public, and we're going to now under there. So you have your private, unlisted, public. I'm saying it's public. And then under there, there's another rectangle that says schedule. Click on schedule, and that's where you have your date. Today is December the 12th. I'm going to make it December the 4th. All right. And I would like for this video to go out at 9:00 a.m. And this should be preset to your time zone. YouTube usually is that way. And that's all that I can do. Now, that's all that I need to do. If I want to schedule it as a premiere, then I'll do that. But otherwise, then I'll just click schedule. And they're still checking my content. That's fine. But it's scheduled now. And so YouTube is letting me know that this video is scheduled to go out on December the 4th at 9 a.m., just like I wanted it to be. And we'll close it. And now we can see that it's there. YouTube is still checking it for restrictions, but that's it. That's how you do it. That's the tip. So if you wanted to just see the tip and get out of here, then bye. And thank you for watching. But if you want to know why you might schedule an upload, then stick around with me and I'll just tell you briefly. The main reason to schedule your upload is to give YouTube a little bit of time to scan your video and to see what's in it, especially for a smaller channel. This isn't anything that I have to do on my larger channel, but on a channel like this, where YouTube doesn't have a whole lot of data, we have to face the reality that there is AI that is, checking out our videos to see what they are, what's in them, and to see who to put our videos in front of. So if you give the AI a little bit of time to read and understand what's going on, you will probably have better success with your uploads. And this is it for Vlogmas Day 2. I'll see you tomorrow on the next video.